Baihetan Hydropower Station, the second-largest hydropower plant in terms of installed capacity, entered full operation on December 20. Its operation marked the completion of the world's largest clean energy corridor, where 6 mega hydropower stations on the Yangtze work to transmit electricity from the resource-rich west to energy-consuming regions in the east. Since its construction started in 2017, measures such as building a botanic garden and a fish breeding station have been taken to protect the biodiversity in the Baihetan Dam area. 56 ancient trees over 100 years old that stood along the Jinsha River and would be submerged by the dam reservoir were transplanted into the botanical garden. Housing an array of rare plant species, the botanical garden is also dedicated to research of breeding technology of rare plants that endemic to the Yangtze River basin. Since 2019, researchers have carried out fish stocking for 4 times, with a total of 54,500 fishes released to river.